point, farmers, okay, that have fields, right? So if I'm a farmer here and I have my field here, okay, below my field, and I've got all my crops growing here. I've got like all kinds of crops. We're going to say this is like fields and fields of corn, okay? You'll often see that farmers will have wells where they actually dig into the ground. They basically dig these pipes into the ground, very, very deep into the ground. And these pipes go well into past the water table so that they're in the groundwater. And what they do is they actually suck up water and bring it up to the surface so that they can water their crops with groundwater. Okay, we're seeing right now in places like California that are in a drought, means that it hasn't rained there in a very long time. We're seeing that farmers are using more and more of their water table. So that means that the water table is getting lower and lower. Okay, it's getting less and less. And pretty soon there won't be any more water left. So those farmers won't have access to water for their crops. Okay? All of this water, all of the fresh water on our planet, what is fresh water, by the way, versus seawater? How are they different?
Seawater has some sort of chemical in it. But it has
What is it called?
Salt water.
Salt water. Fresh water has no salt in it, or very minimal salt. You can drink fresh water, you cannot drink seawater. And the vast majority of the world's fresh water dumps into the ocean. Okay? And a lot of water gets evaporated from the ocean. So this is this continuous cycle. All right? Water, doesn't matter whether it's salt water, fresh water, whatever, evaporates into the sky, condenses, turns back into clouds and liquid, precipitates back to the surface and can infiltrate the ground through percolation, or it can be so great that it can cause surface runoff and dump into rivers, lakes, ponds, whatever. Okay? Water that infiltrates the ground and percolates down will pass the water table, which is that imaginary line, deep down in the soil, and it will become part of the groundwater.